Alright guys, so in this video what we're going to be doing is preparing to do the Starlight headliner kit that everybody does, but it's awesome and that's why everybody does it and that's why we're going to do it. So first thing that we need to do is take down the headliner, so that's what this video is going to be on, is removing that, and then the next video is going to be actually installing the Starlight kit. Also in this video we're going to be wrapping the headliner in black suede. So we'll get to taking this down, and what I'll do is I'll just film the process, the key points of it, just to try to keep the video a little bit shorter, and then I will commentate as we're going through the process and everything else like that, just to keep it short and simple. Success!
Oh, not the vape. Oh.
Not the what?
The vape. There it goes.
Okay, so on this side, what I was trying to point out here, it's easier to see now, is that cable on the driver's side runs through all these clips. You don't have to unplug it from the pillar or anything else like that, or from the back. You just unhook it from this clip, and then it's taped down. Little clip, and then there's just clips going all the way down by the headliner. It's taped again here, and then it exits the headliner right here. So you just unclip it, and then the cable itself will just hang. The other side is going to the microphone for the stereo, as well as the dome light. And there's a plastic clip on that one. You can't just unplug it and it comes free. You actually have to remove how the plug is connected, which that just clips in right here. So you remove that, take it out from the tape, a couple clips, and then it's free. And then the headliner itself is free. There's one pop clip in the front here, which I need to remove it from the car because this just came off of it. So I need to remove it and slide it back in here so it's easier to install. But yeah guys, headliner's out. It realistically will probably take you 20 minutes to do this. When you're pulling the panels away, just commit to it. Before you start pulling these ones away though, you want to pull the weather stripping out, and then just kind of work your way around. Start at the bottom, pull this bottom piece away. You have the two bolts inside, remove those, pop this away, and then you can slide it down slightly, just enough where you can actually kind of fish the headliner away from this lip and get it below here. And then the back one, you want to start in the back, kind of towards the trunk, and start pulling this away, because in the front here there's little slides that the headliner will fit into, so you can't really pull it straight down. You know, pull these out, and then once this is loose you can kind of fish the headliner out from it. Yeah, and this is what it looks like with no headliner. I know there's a few people that do like putting Dynamat, just strips of it along the roof, because it's thin sheet metal, is a lot of road noise that you get through this. So adding some Dynamat or something similar to that will kind of help keep that noise down. Alright guys, so that is the complete removal of the headliner in FRS BRZ 86. The newer ones might be slightly different, but it's pretty much the same story for every vehicle. Things that make it a little more difficult is if you have a sunroof, a lot more lights all throughout, you got the oh shit handles, or you have like center consoles that run along the headliner. But this headliner is pretty simple, not too bad to get out. Like I said, you can probably get it out in about 20 minutes. So next video is going to be wrapping it in suede, and then after that we'll follow up with the Starlight.